Just a quick video to show you how to solve this issue on Temu. So if you've ever visited Temu and you realize that you're not able to view any product, so any product you click on shows this error, I'm going to show you a few troubleshooting steps you can try to solve this issue. So the first thing you want to do is check your extensions and see if you have any ad blocking extensions. So in my case, I have uBlock, and what you want to do is to disable the ad blocker for Temu. So once you've done that, you refresh, and you can either close your browser and reopen, or make sure you have all your tabs closed. So once you've done that, you can then refresh the page and you try to click on an item and it should work. So that's the first thing you want to try. Make sure you don't have an ad blocker enabled for Temu. The second thing you want to make sure is you don't have any extension that's interfering with the websites. So if the ad blocking option doesn't work, you go to your extensions and you disable and enable all your extensions and try to visit the websites. Or alternatively, you visit the website in a private tab or a private window, or incognito mode in Chrome. So if that works in incognito, then you know it's most likely an issue with one of the extensions you have installed. And if for some reason you've tried all this and it doesn't work, another option to try is to delete all the cookies and try signing in again. So what you want to do is you go here and go to cookies and site data, and you go to manage the data on your device, and you delete both items. Once you've done this, it will ask you to reload. You reload the websites, then you can try to log in again. Try this out and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.